Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is probability, and in previous class we take and solve some important question of your syllabus or based on probability. Now in today's class we take and solve some important previous year board examination questions based on probability, and we also take some important questions of your NCERT book. Dear students, this is the last class of the chapter probability. After that, after discussing the today's class, this chapter is completed. Okay. Now we take the first question, which is very important, and this question is also comes in previous exam board previous board examination. Okay, dear students. Now the question is, find the probability. This is a very important question. Find the probability. Okay, find the probability that a number selected that a number selected at random from the number from the numbers 1, 2, 3 and dot so on, comma 35 is a first point prime number, is a prime number. Second one is what, dear students? Multiple of 7. And third one, a multiple of 3 or 5. A multiple of 3 or 5. Okay, so this is a very important question. So let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that question? Let's see its solution. Dear students, it is clear that from this question the total number of all elementary event of that question is what? 35, because find equal to the number selected at random from numbers 1 to 35. So total numbers are what? 1 to 25. So here total number of elementary events that is NS, the total number of sample space is what? 35. Okay, that is total number of elementary event, that is NS is what? 35. Now we write the number from 1 to 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. So these are the numbers from 1 to 35. Okay, and the total number of all possible outcomes or total number of trials, or you can say that total number of elementary events, or you can say that total number of sample space is what? 35 for that questions. Now this is we write the numbers from 1 to 35. Okay, now we take and solve the first part of this question, and first part is a number selected at random. Okay, a number is selected at random and we find the probability that is a prime number. So number of favorable outcomes, okay, related to that event, elementary event, number of favorable outcomes of elementary events is what? With the prime numbers are the list of prime numbers are, those numbers are prime numbers which have only two factors, one and itself. So let's see, this is 2, okay, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, okay, 29, 31, okay. So these are the list of prime numbers. These are the list of prime numbers. So how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 35? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total numbers of prime numbers are from 1 to 35. So thus number of favorable outcomes, that is NE is what? 11, because of we find the probability कि one number chosen at random, then we find the probability that number is a prime number. So here the list of prime numbers are these. This is the list of prime numbers. And how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 35? This is 11. So number of favorable outcomes associated to that event is what? 11. Okay. Thus the probability of getting a prime number which is NE upon NS, 11 upon 35. 11 upon 35. This is the required solution of the given questions. This is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, dear students. So this is very important concept. Now, look. Getting a prime number, okay? Yes, 11 upon 35. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. Dear student, in each part of this question, the total number of elementary events. Total number of elementary events is what? 35 for each part of this question. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. Second part of this question, we find the probability that the numbers are multiple of 7. So the list of numbers which are multiples of 7 is what? Look. So now look, this is 1, this is 7, okay, 7, 14, 21 and 35. So these are the list of numbers which are multiple of 7, okay. Thus number of favorable outcomes, that is our total number of elementary event. When you see number of favorable event is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Okay, because of their strength, there are 5 numbers from the numbers 1 to 35 which are multiple of 7. So thus now probability of getting the number of getting multiple of 3, getting the number multiple of 7 is what? Number of favorable outcomes upon all possible outcomes. This is 5 upon 35, 5 on the 5, 5 7 the 35. So that is the required solution is 1 upon 7. 1 upon so 1 upon 7 is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, this is the number which this is the probability of getting a multiple of 7 when we choose a number at random from 1 to 35. Okay, now similarly, dear friends, we take and solve the last part of this question. Let's see. Now we will take and solve the third part of this question. Dear student, the third part of this question is we find the probability of getting a number which is multiple of 3 or 5. 3 or 5. Okay, now look. Dear friend, first of all, the list of those numbers which are multiple of 3 or 5 is what? Let's see. Look, 3 or 5. So the numbers are the 3, 5, 9, 10, 12, 15 is common, 18, 20, 21, okay, now 24, this is now 25, now 27, now 30, now 33, now 35. Okay, now look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One number is missing there. Look, once more time. So we find the list of those numbers which are multiple of 3 or 5, na? So we take as first number is 3, second 5. Oh, 6 is missing there. One number is 6 is also, na? 6 is also the multiples of 3. So here we missing 1, 6 and 9 then after. Okay, now look how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Thus there are here 16 numbers are in which 16 numbers are there which are multiples of 3 or 5, multiples of 3 or 5. Thus number of favorable outcome, thus the number of favorable outcomes, that is NE, is what? 16. That is probability, that is the probability that probability of getting a multiple of multiple of 3 or 5 is what? Ne upon ns. This is 16 upon 35. Okay, so this is the required solution. Okay, so in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. So first of all, you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Due to after that, you can solve each and every questions based on probability. Okay, now dear students, we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see, based on probability, and this question also comes in previous board examination. Look, the question is, now we take a very important question, and your question is, a box contains a box contains 9 discs which are 90 discs which are numbered from numbered from 1 to 90. 1 to 90. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. Okay. If one disc is drawn at random, if one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears first point, a 2-digit number, Second one, a perfect square number. A perfect square number. Third, a number divisible by 5. A number divisible by 5. A number divisible by 5. This is a very important questions based on probability. Now look, this is a very important question of your syllabus. Okay, dear students? Now look, so let's see its solution. Here, there's a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 19 in this way. Total number of possible, total number of elementary events. Total all possible outcomes are there is what? 90. Here it is clear that total number of elementary events, that is total number of sample space, is what? 90. Okay, is what? 90. Okay, now because of the box contain numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 and dot so on till 90. Now first of all we take the first part of this question. Now we find the probability that a 2-digit number, you know that total numbers are total number, since total number including 1 as well as 2 digits, 90. We choose that number, we find the probability of that number, that number selected as a 2-digit number. So how many 2-digit numbers are there? Dear students, here the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These numbers are contain only 1 digit. So that number of digits subtracted from these numbers, so that is the required number which contains 2 digits. Thus, so here total number of 2 digits number, total number of 2-digit number is what? 90 minus what, dear students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers contains 1 digit only. So subtracted 9, so we get 81. So dear students, 81 numbers contains 2 digits. So that is number of favorable outcomes is what? 81. Number of favorable outcomes is what? 81. Thus, probability of getting a 2-digit number, getting a 2 number is what? Number of favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. So this is 81. 81 upon 90. 9 9 is 81, 9 10 is 90. That is 9 upon 10. So 9 upon 10 is the required solution of first part of this question. Okay. So now dear students, clear the concept of this question. This is a very important questions of your syllabus. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. Dear students, for all parts of these questions, we take the total number of possible outcomes is 90. Okay, all parts. NS is clear, which is 90. Okay, now we take the second part of this question. We have the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till 9. Okay. Now we solve the second part of this. In second part of this question, we selected our disk and we find that it bears a perfect square number. So the list of perfect square numbers from 1 to 90 are perfect square. So first one is what? 4. Second 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. These are the numbers which are a perfect square number. Which are the perfect square number? So how many digits are there? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. No. 9 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. 1 is also perfect square, dear students. 1 ones are 1. The square of 1 is 1, na? So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of favorable outcomes here is what? 9. Okay. Thus probability of getting a perfect square number is what? Ne upon ns, 9 upon 90. This is 1 upon 10. This is the next answer. Okay. Now similarly we take and solve the third part of this question. Let's see. The third part of this question is what? First of all, we find those numbers which are divisible by 5. So the numbers which are divisible by 5 are what? 5 as 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. So these are the numbers which are multiples of 5, divisible by 5. Now look, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So that is number of favorable outcomes is what? 18. Number of favorable outcomes is what? 18. Thus the probability of, look, thus the probability of getting a number divisible by 5 is what? And E upon N, that is 18 upon 19, 18 1 the 18 5 the, that is 1 upon 5. This is the required solution on last part of this question. Thus, dear students, in this way in today's class we take and solve some very important question of your NCERT exercise, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, now this is the last class of the chapter probability. Now, okay, so first of all you revise all the topics which we discussed in that class and complete the chapter probability. Okay, this is the last class of. Thus, in this way, now in next class we start and discuss and start some new chapters of your syllabus. Okay, so in this way, so first you revise and complete the chapter probability. Okay, dear friends. Now, thanks to all.